This is Teacher Water. Today we're going to learn the U and U sound in English. To talk about what is U and U sound, let's see the example of their sound and the picture of the mouth to convey the sound of oo and u in English.
U, U, Q.
Welcome to Wordplay Jolly Phonics Sounding, Blending, and Reading Review. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's review the sound U. U-ul, U-ul, fuel, 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 fuel. U, U, rescue, 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 rescue. U, Q, 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 Q. Arg, U, arg, U, argue, 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 argue. Value, 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 value. U-ul, U-ul, fuel, 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 fuel. U, U, rescue, 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 rescue. U, Q, 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 Q. Arg, U, arg, U, argue, 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 argue. Value, 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 value. Thank you for watching and following along.
So for the conclusion, the long U sound may sound like itself as U or different as oo. For example, unit, human, music, cute, huge, cue, tune, unicorn, dew, clue, rude, mute, tool, June, uniform, use. So that's all for today. Phonics with Teacher Water. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned some phonics. If you have some questions, just send me below the video by the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to do your assignment. Thank you. Bye bye.